Yo, what's up, guys? Pragyan here, currently a second year MBBS student at AIMS New Delhi, and welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, I'll be telling you about the most effective daily schedule to crack NEET. So, without wasting your time, let's begin. So guys, वैसे तो I suggest that you make a to-do list rather than a timetable, but आप लोगों के कमेंट्स आते रहते हैं कि भैया एक टाइम टेबल बना के दे दो. So yeah, today I'll tell you an approximate timetable which even I followed during my NEET preparation. So guys, before I start, there will be two kind of students. One, those who prefer studying in late night, and others, those who prefer studying in early mornings. तो guys, ये आपको खुद डिसाइड करना है कि which suits you the most, and उसके according I have made two kind of timetables. So come, let's explore them. Now, starting with the timetable for the night owls. So you guys will wake up at 9 a.m. Then from 9 to 9:30 you will freshen up and have your breakfast. From 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. you will have your study slot 1. From 1 to 1:30 you will have your lunch. From 1:30 to 2 you will have break 1. From 2 to 5:30 p.m. you will have your study slot 2. From 5:30 to 6 you will have your break 2. From 6 to 9:30 you will have your study slot 3. From 9:30 to 10 you will have your dinner. From 10 to 1:30 a.m. you will have your study slot 4. From 1:30 to 2 a.m. you will have your break 3. And from 2 to 9 a.m. you will have a sufficient sleep of 7 hours. So our timetable has 4 study slots, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, each of 3.5 hours. So in a particular day, you have to study at least 14 hours. तो guys, ये study slot 3.5 hours के क्यों हैं? तो यार आपका जो नीट एग्जाम होगा that is for 3 hours 20 minutes. तो 3 hour 20 minute का study slot तो थोड़ा odd हो जाएगा. So I kept it for 3.5 hours. So this is to help you build up endurance and get acclimatized to sitting at a particular place for 3.5 hours at a stretch. So in study slots की ये condition है that you have to sit at your table and chair at a stretch continuously for 3.5 hours. You cannot stand from there except for washrooms. बल्कि मैं तो बोलूँगा यार कि वॉशरूम के लिए भी मत उठो because यार फाइनल एग्जाम में each second is important. तो जो भी ये वॉशरूम वगैरह आप स्टडी स्लॉट स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही कर लो एंड देन सिट फॉर द स्टडी स्लॉट एट अ स्ट्रेच. आई नो इनिशियली थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा बट यू हैव टू गेट दिस इनटू हैबिट, अदरवाइज नीट क्रैक करना बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टाइम टेबल फॉर द अर्ली बर्ड्स. So you guys will wake up at 5:30 a.m. Then from 5:30 to 9 a.m. you will have your study slot 1. From 9 to 9:30 you will have your breakfast. From 9:30 to 1 p.m. you will have your study slot 2. From 1 to 1:30 p.m. lunch. From 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. break 1. From 2 to 5:30 p.m. study slot 3. From 5:30 to 6 break 2. From 6 to 9:30 study slot 4. From 9:30 to 10 you will have your dinner. From 10 to 10:30 p.m. you will have your break 3. And from 10:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. you will have your sleep again, sufficient sleep for 7 hours. अब बात करते हैं कि ब्रेक 1 which is from 1:30 to 2 p.m. उसमें आपको क्या करना है. So in that you can watch video lectures या फिर you can watch my YouTube videos for strategy या फिर motivation. Then break 2 which is from 5:30 to 6 p.m. उसमें you can have your evening snacks plus physical exercise. This I have been emphasizing from the very beginning कि physical exercise तो करनी ही है at least for 15-20 minutes per day, ज़्यादा भी नहीं बोल रहा मैं, because otherwise we will become lethargic. Then break 3 which is the half an hour break before you sleep. तो उसमें you will have to plan what you have to do the next day, या फिर you can also revise your mistake notebook in that break. So guys, you already know that question practice is really important for NEET. तो उसके लिए I recommended you the NCERT अभ्यास बैच. तो उसमें एक नया फीचर है, that is the PYQ marked NCERT. तो जिन लोगों ने पहले से एनरोल कर रखा था they will get this feature for free, और जो अभी एनरोल करना चाहते हैं they can easily do it. So guys, you should study NCERT daily, and इस ऐप के थ्रू by the page wise filter you can practice questions as well from there. Now talking about the PYQ marked NCERT feature, तो यार जब आप NCERT पढ़ रहे होगे तो उसमें कुछ लाइंस मार्क्ड रहेंगी जिनसे PYQs आ रखे हैं. तो वाइल रीडिंग आपको पता रहेगा कि कौन से पॉइंट्स आर मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन द अदर्स. तो गाइस, नीट एसेंशियल ऐप ओपन करने के बाद वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द PYQ मार्क्ड NCERT ऑप्शन, और फिर वहाँ पर आपको 4 सब्जेक्ट दिख जाएंगे PCBZ, एंड उसके अंडर जो भी चैप्टर्स आते हैं. तो गाइस, चैप्टर ओपन करने के बाद जिन लाइन से PYQ आए हैं दोज विल बी हाईलाइटेड इन पिंक. उस पर क्लिक करने के बाद यू कैन अटेम्प्ट द क्वेश्चंस, एंड हर क्वेश्चन का डिटेल वीडियो एक्सप्लेनेशन भी अवेलेबल है, एंड दिस इज डन फॉर द लास्ट 25 years of PYQs. So guys, this feature is available for all the subjects physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and ना सिर्फ in text lines marked है for the PYQs but also summary, exercise and even exemplar भी marked है for the PYQs. So guys, ये काफी अच्छा फीचर है. Go and enroll now. All links are in the description. So guys, now let's talk about that what you are supposed to study in different study slots, slot 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, as a general rule, in a particular study slot, we'll study the theory of a particular subject and practice questions from another subject. जैसे कि in a particular study slot, you will study the theory of botany and practice questions from chemistry and vice versa. And in another study slot, you will study the theory of zoology and practice questions from physics and vice versa. तो guys, ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं कि एक study slot में we are picking up 2 subjects and that too एक की theory कर रहे हैं और एक के question practice कर रहे हैं. तो यार हम ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि if you'll keep on studying a particular chapter की theory for the entire 3.5 duration continuously, so you might lose interest in that chapter and it will become really monotonous. But यार अगर आप एक चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस करोगे और एक चैप्टर की थ्योरी पढ़ोगे उस स्टडी स्लॉट में, so इससे your brain will remain active and you will be able to finish things effectively. So keeping this in mind, let's discuss which two subjects we are supposed to do in which slot. Also guys, it is observed that with passing time in the day, our brain becomes more tired and less effective. So it is better to do the cramming wale topics and the topics which you find difficult for yourself in the earlier slots. तो guys, study slot 1 में your mind is the most active and most fresh क्योंकि आप अभी just उठे हो. So in this study slot, you can do cramming वाले topics, that is inorganic chemistry, and along with that, you can do the question practice of botany. Then study slot 2 में you will pick up a subject which you find is difficult for you, let's say physics. तो उसकी आप theory and class notes पढ़ लोगे and उसके साथ साथ you will do the question practice of zoology. Then study slot 3 में botany की theory and chemistry की question practice, and study slot 4 में zoology की theory and physics की question practice. So according to your strengths and weaknesses, you can manipulate the subjects जिनकी आप theory read करेंगे and जिनकी question practice करेंगे in these study slots. So guys, now let's talk about the NEET 2024 aspirants. तो यार जैसे जैसे नीट पास आ रहा है उनके लिए द टाइम डिवोटेड टू स्टडिंग थ्योरी शुड डिक्रीज एंड द टाइम डिवोटेड टू क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस शुड इंक्रीज इन दी स्टडी स्लॉट्स. एंड लास्ट के 1.5-2 महीने में नीट से पहले जो आपका 2 to 5:30 PM वाला स्टडी स्लॉट है उसमें आपको एक मॉक टेस्ट देना ही देना है, कंपल्सरीली देना है, एंड इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग कि उसका एनालिसिस भी करना ही है टेस्ट के बाद. और जो नीट 2025 के एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, इवन दे कैन फॉलो दिस टाइम टेबल टिल देयर नीट एग्जाम. So yeah, that's it for the video. I kept it short, crisp and to the point. I hope you will implement these points in your study schedule. If you like this video, do like it, share it, and one more thing. This schedule will work for you only if you are subscribed to this channel. तो जाओ और दबा दो वो लाल बटन. Signing off, bye bye.